ID7-M-SEQ Links Shielded Sequence Module. The ID7-M-SEQ Links Shielded Sequence Module, commonly referred to as the Sequence Module, is the main machine interface module for RJG CoPilot and eDART systems. The ID7-M-SEQ Sequence Module is a DIN rail-mounted module that is wired to the injection molding machine to collect up to 7 different 24-volt DC timing signals and one 24-volt common. While there are 7 signal channels and a few combinations that can work to collect cycle data, ideally a minimum of 3 signals are wired to the injection molding machine. These 3 preferred signals are injection forward, screw run, sometimes referred to as screw recovery, and mold closed or mold clamped. Prior to installation, confirmation of the machine's signal outputs is required. This can be accomplished by referring to the machine's manuals and locating the necessary digital outputs on the electrical schematic. You may also contact your machine manufacturer to verify that the machine is equipped with the necessary outputs. The sequence module contains 2 ports. One port is for a pigtail cable for interfacing to the digital output cards of the injection molding machine. The second port is to connect the module to the CoPilot system. Once the ID7-M-SEQ sequence module has been wired through the machine, the outputs can be tested by connecting the module to the CoPilot AP 4.0 system and cycling the injection molding machine. When the machine cycles, the corresponding lights will turn on and then go off once during the molding cycle. Let's take a closer look at the minimum signals required for the CoPilot system to produce data points. For injection forward, or IF, the wiring is blue and should come on when injection starts, when the screw is plunging molten material into the mold, and turn off at the end of hold. Injection forward is the primary signal for the fill, pack, and hold time calculations, as well as peak injection pressure and effective viscosity calculations. If no injection forward signal is present, the cycle graph will not refresh, nor calculate integral values. For screw run, or SR, the wiring is red and should come on when the screw motor starts the rotation of the screw, and turn off when the screw motor stops. Screw run calculates screw run time, detects stroke direction, and zeros plastic volume at cycle. For mold closed or clamped, or MC, the wiring is brown and should come on when the mold is clamped to high tonnage, and turn off when the mold begins to open. Mold closed or clamped is the primary signal for cycle time calculation, zeroing of sensors, and cycle reset for piezoelectric equipment. If any of these signals, injection forward, screw run, or mold closed or clamped, are unavailable from the injection molding machine, please refer to the product manual for further information, or contact RJG customer support at support@rjginc.com or 1-800-472-0566. Thank you for watching this video regarding the installation and use of the ID7-M-SEQ Links Shielded Sequence Module.